like to present a small skit before you with a message. Hope you all will like it.
We all know that good and bad is more of a state of mind. There's always a ray of sunlight behind each dense cloud. I would like to quote Desmond Tutu. Hope is being able to see that there is light despite all the darkness.
With this small act, our aim is to convey how we can find good and positivity in every situation. Whatever happens might not be best, but it always comes with great opportunities and learnings for life.
Well said, Naira. So, with this, we will start our act with a scene in which a group of students are seen attending their class.
Good morning, students. Good morning. Today we are going to start our class with few questions. My first question is, what is a Microsoft Excel? I think, it's a branch of Search Excel to clean computers. My second question is, which is more important, sun or moon? Definitely the moon, ma'am. Why? Because it gives us light when we really need it. My second question means I think need a break after listening to your answers. I will be back in some time.
Well, Naira, do you know what's the best time of class?
Which time?
Well, it's the time when the teacher is out.
So let's see what these students are up to. Good morning everyone, I'm Shubhra Singh from BKC News. Today's breaking news is that international flights are coming with COVID-infected patients.
बाहर निकलना क्या होता है ये 21 दिनों के लिए भूल जाइए। सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग यानी एक दूसरे से दूर रहना, अपने घरों में ही बंद रहना, घर में रहे और एक ही काम करे कि अपने घर में ही रहे। घर में रहे और एक ही काम करे कि अपने घर में ही रहे।
Now the scenario is such that all the kids are forced to stay at home and they don't look to be too happy with this new change.
Same teachers, same students, but nothing looks to be the same.
Now today's breaking news is that slowly everything is switching to online. Your school has switched to online classes. Good morning, students. Good morning, students. What happened, my dear students? Why do you look so low?
classes. In fact, I ate everything about lockdown.
Yes, miss. I can't go out. I can't meet my friends. I can't even go out for a movie.
And miss, the worst thing is, I can't go for my favorite cricket class. Miss, I really need to work hard to be as good as... And miss, do you know, I can't even have my favorite Domino's pizza. Oh, my mouth just starts watering thinking about it.
No, 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 my dear children. You should all not take the lockdown this way. There are a lot of things about the lockdown which you all should be happy about.
No, miss, there can't be anything good about it.
Then the teacher assigned the students a task in which they have to come up with something that they liked about the lockdown. And teacher said, whoever comes up with the best thing will be the monitor of the class for a month.
Although the students were fully convinced that they could not find anything good about this lockdown, but still as everybody wanted to be the monitor, they tried their best. So students, I hope that you all are ready with your assignment. Yes, miss! It's me first, it's me. You all will get a chance, one by one. The smile on the student's face were telling that they definitely have something good to share with the teacher, and they all looked quite excited to share their thought with the class.
As the teacher couldn't wait to hear from her beloved students, she asked them to start one by one.
Miss, one thing that I realized during lockdown is gratitude. I'm so lucky to have such a beautiful house to stay in, a great mom who cooks delicious food, little sister who accompanies me in all my mischief, great dad who plays indoor cricket with me, and my all-time favorite grandma who loves me like anything. Miss, I think I'm really lucky to get this extra time for myself. I got to learn so many new skills. I have designed my own game, and I realized it's more fun creating games than just playing with them. Miss, I even have my YouTube channel now. So friends, please don't miss to like, subscribe and share my channel. #AmitTheCoder.
Miss, you know, there are so many good things about this lockdown. Instead of studying 6 to 7 hours, our class only gets over at 2 hours now. With online classes in office, people save their traveling time and cost, and this way even pollution is reduced. Everybody can attend their online classes in office at the comfort of their house.
Miss, for me, the best thing about this time is that I got connected to all my cousins and got to know about many relatives of mine whom I hardly used to meet earlier. Now, because of WhatsApp and Zoom calls, through which we stayed connected and celebrated festivals on virtual platform and felt such great about having such a loving and caring family.
Very good, kids. I'm so glad to hear it from all of you.
Not thank the teacher enough for giving them such a nice activity and making them realize that there is much more to everything that we can see. Every change comes with new challenges as well as new opportunities. It's up to us how we pursue it.
With this small act, we have portrayed a part of our life before and during this pandemic. Whatever happens might not be best, but always comes with great opportunities and learnings for life.